here.
Stop it, man. I saw it first.
My lord.
Nah, back off, man.
Yeah. First time I saw you, I knew I had to have you. Don't mean no one night stand. Gotta find a way to be a man. It's something about the way you turned and looked at me. Your smile, it turned me on and set my mind at ease. I'm trying hard not to stare. Don't wanna look thirsty. Just trying to play it cool. Gotta show you that I'm worthy. You walked in on the air and seemed to leave this room. I just had to find a way to get next to you. I'm here to testify. Give me a chance, I'm satisfied. Captivate your heart and I'll blow your mind. Don't wanna pass me up cause I'm one of a kind. Eyes up, you're checking me out. Trying to figure out what I'm all about. Wondering if my love will make you scream and shout. If I don't at first, I'm gonna figure it out. Wolves howling at the moon, peacock and acting like a fool. Unbothered as they sift through all the nonsense they throw at you. That type of thing don't interest me when it comes to you. I can't wait to show you that my love is true. Don't wanna miss my chance. Would you mind if I took your hand? Out on the floor, baby, let's dance. Extended cut, DJ, make it last. We're the only ones in here, we're so into this groove. Intoxicated by the way our bodies move. Testify, hey, chance I'm satisfied. Hey, and I'll blow your mind. Don't wanna pass me up, cause I'm one of a kind. So, you're checking me out, trying to figure out what I'm all about. Come on, if my love will make you scream and shout. If I don't at first, I'm gonna figure it out. Testify, give me a chance I'm satisfied. For your heart and I'll blow your mind. Don't wanna pass me up, cause I'm one of a kind. So, you're checking me out, trying to figure out what I'm all about. Wondering if my love will make you scream and shout. If I don't at first, I'm gonna figure it out.
Brighter days is on the other side of pain. Can't be the same if you wanna see some change. Iced out chains got you acting kinda strange. Mind got corroded by the fortune and the fame. Ego so bloated, got your head on the range by the followers and looks. Movers and the crooks, beat down low. You need a ram in a bush. Can't debate, you took the bait, a fish in a hook. Made a friend of an enemy, you mistook. Growing up is knowing everybody ain't solid. Or somebody to everybody ends up with nobody. Lose if you won't, lose if you will. This will be my final degree. You can't tell me how to be me. When you don't know what you believe. Faith is far more than what you see. I see the sparkle in your eye. I'm the star that got you struck. Lights out, I had to learn to live in the dark. Water pressure real high, I had to swim with the sharks. Keep the keys in my hand, don't forget where I park. Just as long as I finish, it don't matter how I start. Fueling my possession, all I needed was a spark. Screaming real loud, thought I walked through a parade. Back up long, homie, don't you dare scuff my J's. Mask on RP like GTA charade. Love me in my face, review, it's hater raid. Ear to the ground, blow up like Pompeii. Want the game with no work and still throw shade. We threw the whole tree and she still don't want the fade. No care about her out when I'm out here getting paid. Well.
Come here, come a little closer. Don't be afraid, no, I don't wanna hurt you. Little more, come near, let me just show you. Don't know, can't talk, let me just show you. Don't be obsessive, it could be intensive. It could be explosive, it could be offensive. Don't be defensive, don't be aggressive. It will be a waste, cause we could be expensive. You need a little fee in your life. You need a little me in your life. I wanna see the sea in your eyes. You need to be free. Hey.
Move. Move. Body, move. Move your body, do you move? body till you
You're running through my mind with a shotgun. I'm running out of time, but I'm not done. Yeah, I don't need to run, it will come to me. I don't need to fight, but I keep moving, keep moving. Even what I lose, yeah, I keep moving. Put on my shoes, yeah, I keep moving. There's no room to refuse. Don't you mess with us, we're not afraid. Look at us, no, there is nothing to discuss. I'm not okay, but I'll get up. I know the way, no, I won't stop. I know this game, I won't give up. It takes some time to reach the top. Let's take a break, here comes the drop. Don't be obsessive, it could be intensive, it could be explosive, it could be offensive. Don't be defensive, don't be aggressive, it will be a waste cause we could be expensive. You need a little fee in your life, you need a little me in your life. I wanna see the sea in your eyes, you need to be free.
move, move, body, move your body till you move, move, body, move your body till you.
The night shift cutie at the truck stop knows my name. Through the candle in the midnight oil and lit up the honky-tonk highway. I see the sun come up, cause I ain't been to bed. Gonna have my name cut into a stone when I lay my head. No rest for the wicked, at least for a few 100 miles. I'm running wild, ride the lightning, run on empty in the ring of fire. Rolling like the Mississippi, oh mama tried. But I got bad down to my bones. Don't know where I'm gonna go, oh sweet child. I'm running wild, I'm running wild. Always been a runner, never been one for settling down. Spent my life in the backwoods looking for ways out of a one-horse town. I found a 6-string ticket and jumped that westbound train. Now I only slow down long enough to stand up on that stage. Cloud 9 is a cloud of dust for the next 1,000 miles. I'm running wild, ride the lightning, run on empty in the ring of fire. Rolling like the Mississippi, oh mama tried. But I got bad down to my bones. Don't know where I'm gonna go, oh sweet child. I'm running wild, yeah, I'm running wild. Mama, I'm running wild, yeah, I'm running wild. I'm running with the devil, rolling down the road, riding on the storm, living like I'm dying slow. Headlights in the fast lane is my home away from home. If there's light after this tunnel, I'm gonna be the first to know. No slowing down, no looking back, no staying for a while. I'm pedal down and right on track, I'm ready for this ride. I'm running wild, ride the lightning, run on empty in the ring of fire. Rolling like the Mississippi, oh mama tried. And I got bad down to my bones. Don't know where I'm gonna go, oh sweet child. I'm running wild.
Yeah, we are the ones that broke in the scar. We are the ones who got it from it all. You know something I don't, and I've got stories I'd never tell. Yet here we are together, standing at the well. The water keeps pumping, the sun is still shining. All we need tonight is this moment to ourselves. Me and you and everything we've been through. The stars are out, and baby that's a tribute to everything we've been through. To everything we've been through. We are the ones that fight to overcome it and stand here today. Hey. We move from place to place, ran the human race. Yet here we are, face to face. Right back where we fell, standing at the well, where the water keeps pumping, the
say.
This that shit to make them all go dummy. Now I got bread, they all want something from me. Showing like pros, man, I told them that it's money. And I own my own bars just like it's always sunny. Ugh, thought she said something to me. We were never friends, told them I am not your buddy. Now they all call, I got some buzz like honey. Then they check the Spotify and they looking at me funny. I don't blame you, dog, that's how this shit goes. Same two paths, we just pick different roads. Glue on the safe, I just stuck to the code. Now they tell me that I'm driven, bruh, I already drove. So diverse, got too many flows. Checks coming in, got too many O's. Remember in the past, had too many lows. Now when I look around, got too many bros. Don't like to spend it, I told them I'll save it. Now that I'm here, dog, I seen it, they hate it. I'm making hits like I'm running those bases. And they taking shots, bro, I know that they faded. This that shit to make them all go dummy. Now I got bread, they all want something from me. Showing like pros, man, I told them that it's money. And I own my own bars just like it's always sunny. Ugh, thought she said something to me. We were never friends, told them I am not your buddy. Now they all call, I got some buzz like honey. Then they check the Spotify and they looking at me funny.